Reliance's GeoMeet ridiculed at launch for copy-pasting Zoom. OnePlus launches affordable TVs in India starting at 12,999 rupees. OnePlus listens to feedback, launches new TV remotes with a better design and more buttons. Google discontinues the Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL ahead of Pixel 4a launch. Windows 10 Insider Preview 20161 brings a new start menu design, Alt plus Tab support for Microsoft Edge tabs, and more. Motorola One Fusion with Snapdragon 710 SoC, 48-megapixel camera launched. Facebook admits user data was wrongly shared to 5,000 developers, violating its own policy. Punjab teen reportedly spent Rs 16 lakhs from parents' bank accounts on PUBG Mobile. Samsung launches Galaxy Assured and Galaxy Forever financing plans in India. Realme 6i may launch in India as a rebranded Realme 6S with MediaTek Helio G90T SoC. Tech experts warn of new Mac ransomware spreading via internet piracy and taking files hostage. WhatsApp adds animated stickers, QR codes, and dark mode the web. Redmi 8 price in India hiked yet again, now comes at 9,799 rupees. Vivo Y30 with hole punch display, 5000 mAh battery launched in India for 14,990 rupees. LinkedIn caught snooping on iOS clipboard, company acknowledges and assures a fix. Poco M2 Pro appears in Geekbench with 6GB of RAM and Snapdragon 720. Google may integrate chat into Gmail apps for Android and iOS. OnePlus Nord front and back official images revealed in a teaser video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Daddy.